The Ukrainian brigade team is monitoring the situation via drone, which they will use as an air attack via drone against Russians who are crossing the border. Ukrainian drones spotted several Russian Marines crossing the border. Ukrainian drones also found 2 Russian tanks that wanted to attack, but the Russian tanks failed to get a chance to attack. Finally, Ukraine succeeded in dropping bombs via drone. At every point, Ukraine managed to find Russian soldiers who were hiding in a trench. Not long after, Ukrainian drones dropped drone bombs. Ukrainian drone surveillance continues in a forest and trenches. Finally, Ukrainian drones find several invaders who are hiding. An unmanned drone from the Ukrainian brigade detected a Russian tank across the road and immediately dropped a drone bomb. Where a trench dug by the Russians to hide was attacked by Ukrainian drones. The Ukrainian brigade continued to attack the Russian soldiers who were hiding in the road ditch. Ukrainian drones tracked every trench where the Russians were hiding, which was a safe place for them, but the drones continued to search every coastal hideout. Ukrainian drone attack shoots down a Russian M2 Bradley tank as it crosses the border. All routes crossed by the Russian army will be attacked with Ukrainian FVP drones, and brigade drones find Russian tanks passing along the road. Unmanned drone surveillance has detected an uninhabited house in a residential area. They immediately released drone bombs at the safe house until it was destroyed. When a Russian truck passing by carrying Russian personnel was attacked by a Ukrainian drone and destroyed.